Hello my friends, welcome or welcome back. Happy Mask Monday! I have not done a Mask Monday in a hot minute. And Miss Kimmy from Kimmy's Boxes, I will leave her link down below, sent me this Be Clear Skin animated kitten face mask. So I had to do a Mask Monday so that I could use this. This is from the Cream Shop. And it says to leave it on for 15 or 20 minutes. I don't have to rinse. So let's get this puppy on. I just got out of the shower. It's Monday morning. It just squirted me in the face. Alrighty. Kimmy, what kind of mask did you send me, girl? Anyway, it's Monday morning. I just got out of the shower and I was like, well, I'm just going to leave my hair up in this towel. And I got on my favorite jammies that say love that my sweet Aunt Gloria sent me. Look at the paw print. Oh, this is going to be so cute. And I got a big old 20-ounce cup of coffee going. So we're going to do a little bit of pampering. And then I'm going to open my mirror that I just got and show y'all my new mirror. I'm so excited because I'm having trouble seeing here when I'm doing anything on video, so hopefully this mirror is going to help. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's going to be cold. Yep. Oh. Ooh. Oh, that's cold. And it is juicy as all get out. My goodness. The Cream Shop really does have nice mask. Alrighty. That wasn't too hard to get on. Get my little ears in place. Look at how cute my ears are. Oh, my nose is crooked. Gotta fix my nose. I got a wonky kitty nose and my little whiskers. That is super cute. It feels really good too. It's winter time, so my skin is kind of dry. I put the rest of that on my arms. I have lots of good essence left in the pack. When I'm done, I will take that and spread it on my arms and stuff. Alrighty, so here's what I got, y'all. Oh Lord, my hands are wet and I can't pick it up. Let's try that again. I got a new mirror. I got the Riki Skinny. It was on sale for Black Friday, which was super exciting. I don't remember how much I saved, $30 or $40, something like that. I've had my eye on this mirror for quite some time, but it's kind of pricey. And so I just kind of sat on it, but then Maria from Night Star Beauty, and I'll link her channel down below too. I know y'all have heard me talk about Maria, but Maria and I were chatting on Instagram, and she told me that she had ordered this because they were running a special, so of course I grabbed my credit card and ran over to their website, and they were having a very nice sale. So we're going to unbox it. I'm super excited. It comes in a very nice box, and I'm dropping things. And there's the inside of the box. This is what fell out. There's a little card in here. And this is a sheet tells you how to operate it, because this mirror comes with an operations manual. Oh, and look at how cute this is. It comes with the cleaning cloth. Why am I not in focus? Okay, there we go. It comes with a cleaning cloth that has all kinds of little beauty things on it. How sweet is that? This mirror is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, and this is the mini. Oh, and I can't get it out. Let me move the box out the way. That's a nice box with the magnetic closure that could be used for something else. Can y'all see me? Can you see me? So, of course, it's in this thing that I need to try to get it out of. I'll just flip it upside down because it's got a nice protective cover on it. My goodness, this thing has all kinds of gizmos and gadgets and stuff with it. Am I in focus? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? By the way, speaking of are we there yet, Trent has made his way to New York City. And so I'll put the hashtag again. Hashtag where is Trent the Troll. Make sure y'all go check him out and see what he's up to. He has gotten into some serious trouble. Naughty little troll. Okay, so here's what we got. This is the stand that it sits in, I believe. I believe I am correct. Yep. That's the stand. That's nice. And then it has the plug and the cable to plug it in. And it comes with a phone holder. It's magnetic, so you can stick that on the mirror. And then you can put your phone on in it, which is great for content creators. So that's awesome. And it comes with a magnetic magnifying mirror, and I need that because y'all, it's got a cover on it. Look at how cool that is. That's exciting. Yep. And here is the mirror itself. It has all of these lights on it. Let's pull the cover off. So here's what the mirror looks like. I don't want to, there's my fan. I don't want to blind you, because you look. So now y'all know that my microphone hangs up above my head. And there's my little reindeer antlers that are on my camera. And it has the controls here. It's got Bluetooth. And it has different settings so that you can make it brighter. And then, like I said, this mirror is magnetic so that you have your magnifying mirror. And it has a nice strong magnet. And then this is, oops, that is for your phone. How cool is that? So let me plug it in so we can see how bright. Oh, that's really nice. I like that. And y'all can't see it. How awesome. Because that was my other problem before, was the mirror was up here. I was like, I don't want you to see the mirror. See, like this one. Let me move this one. I had that one there to help me see how to put my mask on. And just put that back down. Look at how cute my little mask is. Alright, so let's plug it in and see. Alright, so let's turn it on. Ooh, wow. Look at how bright that is. Let's see. Is that as bright as it goes? No. It gets... Wow. Holy cow, look at how bright that is. That is really bright. Wow. That's impressive. That is super bright. And then you can bring it back down. That's as low as it goes, which is bright in itself. And then, like I said, it has the Bluetooth. So let me put the 10x mirror on it and see if I can see anything. The bad thing is I have to get really close. Stop focusing. Focus. I have to get really close to be able to see. I don't know how that's going to work, but there it is. Very nice. With all the gadgets and goodies on it. So there we go. There's my Riki mirror. Let's see what the card says. I'm sure it says thank you. It is a code for 15% off. So I don't know if any of you are interested in checking that out. But the code is BRIGHT. And I believe that the website is just Riki.com. I don't know. I'll put it down in the description. And this is not a sponsored video. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I spent all of my very hard-earned money except for whatever Black Friday sale I was getting on the mirror. So this needs to marinate just a little bit longer. So I will be right back, and then I have 2 winner announcements. One moment, please. Alright, so this has been on long enough. I know everybody likes to use those rollers, but I like to just kind of massage it in. It just feels good to do it with my fingers. It's such a cute little mask. And this piece stayed on pretty good, too. Alrighty, so let's take it off. There's lots of good serum on there, or essence, or whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to work that into my skin. Feels so good. I have not used a mask in a little while. I don't know why I only do them on Mask Mondays. I should do them. I have plenty, but I should do them more often than once a week. So I have 2 winners to announce in this video. I drew them days ago. I've already contacted them. They have contacted me back. I have posted the notifications on Instagram, but I wanted to do it here on YouTube too. So I'm just going to insert the pictures because my computer is wonky and I cannot connect my camera to StreamYard so that I can record the whole thing. And the IT guy is supposed to come. It's a whole drama thing, y'all. So the first giveaway that ended was the SinglesSwag November for November, and the friend mail that I got, and the whole reason for the giveaway was the I won, so you can too. And the winner of that was Life with Lois's. And then the second giveaway was the Hipdot Ouija Palette review and collab that I did with Gloria from Southern Mama Boys. And the winner of that giveaway was Myrna Bledsoe. And Myrna as well has already responded to me and accepted her prize. So the phone rang. I don't know what I was saying. Myrna accepted, has already responded back to me and has accepted her prize. So congratulations to Lois and Myrna. I appreciate the support from both of you. Y'all are both amazing. And by the way, Myrna loved the painter's tape. Y'all need to try the painter's tape. It works. it works really good. So there we go. Another Mask Monday in the books. Thank you so much for watching my video and watching me unbox my Riki mirror. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It sure does help out my channel. And if you are not subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, maybe you should get you one of these bright light mirrors. You can get a little battery pack. Oh, you could take it with you when you're night fishing. You can see how cool you look when you're fishing at night. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.